Hey guys, welcome to today's stream. And today, where were we last time? Let's see, MDN, JavaScript, and regular expressions. This is like an interesting topic, which is like very important when it comes to um, authentication and validation. So, um, in front end and in back end, but there are many packages that uh, do like a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to regex, but like we are here to like learn it properly, and regex is almost in every language. So if we learn it properly in JavaScript, then we can also do it in Python, and I think C++, probably Java, because I don't know. They might have some bit of quirky syntax, but yeah, uh, like it is almost similar in everything. And I think regex is something that anybody should focus on. So, yep. Regular expressions are patterns used to match character combinations and string. In JavaScript, regular expressions are also objects, obviously, like everything. So there are functions in regex which basically help us to uh, like methods in regex which help us to do an operation. So using regex composed of simple characters such as A, B, C, uh, or combination of special characters, simple or special characters. The last example includes parentheses, which are used as a memory device. The match made with the part of the pattern is remembered for later as described and using groups. Is it something that comes on later on? Comes later. Let's see. Groups and back references. Group groups groups group multiple patterns as a whole. Okay. And captioning group provides extra submatch information when using regular expression pattern to match background string. Okay, cool. Was the previously captured group and same. So this is an excerpt and regex without E with the match operation size. I'm not very familiar with regex, so we will have to see what, and I don't understand what they are trying to convey. Um, but yes, let's move on. If anybody knows what they are trying to convey, please write it in the comments, and let's move on. Using simple patterns. Simple patterns are so simple pattern for direct matches and uh, special characters. So special characters. For example, a single match of A followed by 0 or more B's is followed by C. So A, any number of B's, and so B star and C. So uh, so 1C, and okay, so of preceding item is a string. Cool. The following pages provide list of different special characters to fit in each category along with. Okay, let's go. This looks like a big document. The big chapter. Let's see. Oh, it's an example which indicate the beginning and ending of the line word. And what's the other patterns? Okay, last word. So W plus. I don't understand. How I get this. This whole code gives the last word, but how? What does like a slash and W mean? What does a plus mean? What does a dollar mean? Ah, this is okay. I guess okay. This is a whole full article. Okay, so it's not star. So matches the beginning of input. If the multi-line flag is set to true, then matches immediately after line break character. For example, that matches the A in an A, but does not match A in an A. Huh? Does not okay, so yep. So we are searching for a for, if we are writing the cat symbol, it matches the first word of first letter and starts from the first letter. Okay, so dollar matches the last letter. So if the multi-line flag is true, matches the energy before the language. For example, the slash t dollar includes t in eater, but does not why I'm reading everything in opposite, but does match it in eat. Okay, cool. For the last word, last word, and also from the back, basically matches from the back. Matches a word boundary. Eh, this portion where the word character is not followed or preceded by another word character such as between of letter and space. Mm, Note that are matched word boundary is not included in a match, but the length matched word boundary is zero. For example, slash b m matches m in moon slash no o slash p does not match o in moon because o is followed by n, which is a word character. Okay, OON matches OON in moon because OON is the end of the string, thus not followed by the word character. Slash W slash V slash W will never match anything and never be followed by both a non-word and a word character. Okay, cool. So the slash W represents a word, I guess. Um, so if we have slash b, then do we need dollar and caret? Because I think they do the same job, but I guess slash b must match all the words. Um, uh, that's what I get from that match. Cool. Slash capital V matches a non-word boundary. This is a position where the previous and next character are same type. Either both are must be words or both must be non-words. For example, between two letters or two spaces, the beginning and end of the string are considered non-words. Um, okay, cool. Some same as matched word boundary. The matched non-word boundary is also included in match. For example, slash cap p on, so matches on in at moon, and we will have My God, this is difficult. Okay, this is actually very difficult. Um, correct, correct, correct. To match the beginning, cool. Match the word boundary using the slash b. So n or ed, if it's in the word boundary. So red apple. So ed comes in red apple, and it's the last. So green avocado. Uh, en en comes in like en. So yeah, look ahead assertion. First test. I don't know what this dash tree is now for. I haven't done the regex a lot before. I just use the ones that are on the internet, and now I don't understand anything. Ah, actually a bit frustrating. The best thing, like the formula that I apply when I don't understand anything is just go through that stuff. So kindly, like what I'm doing, I'm just going through it, trying to understand one bit, like 1% or 2%. So in later on, if I need that in a project, at least I know something could be done, and then I'll come back at that time and try to understand it completely betterly. I'll probably watch a few videos on the topic. So yeah, but currently I this all goes from behind my head. So mm, uh, uh, what would be the best way of doing this? I don't find a good way of doing this because um, writing way. At last, we will have to now. So should go in properly. I understood these two. Like carrot for the start of the sentence, dollar for the end of the sentence. Let's look at some functions only first. So the functions that are used in regex. So that might help us to check. So test match returns the array consistent of all matches. Yeah, match will be a good thing to. So match will be a good thing to do to test out some examples. And let's start from the starting because doing it properly right now makes a lot of sense. So matches a word boundary. This is a position where a word character is not followed or preceded by another word. So, what is a word character? A word character means a letter. That's what I got. It's not followed or preceded by another word character. Okay. So, such as between a letter and a space. This is a position where a word character is not followed or preceded by. Note that a matched word boundary is not included in the match. In other words, the length of matched word boundary is zero. Let's try. How do I call match? Are there any examples? So let's copy this. Mhm. So we have a paragraph, we have a regex, we do match, and we console that log out. So let's do this. Let's change the regex to /pm. What does this G stand for? Let's leave it right now. Right now, we'll come to it. G in JavaScript regex. So it is global. What do they mean by global? Okay, it finds all the matches, but doesn't match also find all the matches. Let's do right moon. Let's test it out. So um, no index.js. So returns moon. First M. Let's write one other moon. We should have done two moons because there is slash G. Yep. But if I remove this, does it remember the. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, around 20 only. Returns the first, the index. If I do match all, then what does it? There was a function called match all. I sort. What's your problem? Okay, so slash g is needed for that. Us. I don't know how to use iterators in JavaScript. So how to use JS print JS. It I guess this should work. The fuck. ENTRIs. Why doesn't work? Let's just do this then. Array.form. Also using map node entries. Blah. Let's check. Dot next. Dot return. Dot throw. Do it once more. Done isn't false, so let's okay, we can run a while loop with for and by checking done and done becomes true. I guess they are implementing iterators using generators, and so they give a next function. Okay, it's not a big deal, but yep. So match is used to get the first one, or you can get all, but you have to specify dash g found. Cool. And B for the First letter and yes, so B for the first letter and now the last letter. So that's what slash B does, and it's clear. So these three are done properly. Slash B matches a non-word boundary. This is a position where previous and next character are of the same type. Okay, so if the previous is character, then the next should be word character. That's what I get. Either both must be word or both must be non-words. For example, between two letters or between two spaces. In beginning and end of the string are considered non-word. Okay. Uh, Same as matched word boundary, the matched non-word boundary is also not included in the match. For example, slash b on matches on in noon. How? It shouldn't. What doesn't make any on. This is a word character. This after this is a non-word character. That's what this is right here. How does it match? Just let's just check if it actually does match because sometimes probably they wrote something wrong. My best hope is that they wrote something wrong because this doesn't make any sense. So it matches this moon and this noon, but how does it match? Shouldn't because one has a character before it. It has a character before it and a space after it. Matches a non-word boundary. This is a position where previous or next character are the same type. Yes, either both must be word or both must be non-words. I guess okay. I guess they are saying that I guess O and O should not match. No, it should match. O and should match. Yes, because O and also should match. When doesn't match. For example, between two letters or between two spaces. So, okay. L, Lonel, Lonel match, Lon matches. When does not match. Between two letters or between two spaces. Two letter spaces does not match. This is just dumb. Let's just Let's just copy paste it for now. Save this somewhere because it does not make any sense. Is this the one? Right, that was the screenshots. Yep. So there. Other assertion. The question mark character may also be used as a quantifier. Character x is equals to y. Look ahead assertion matches x only if x is followed by y. Okay. Basically, it means followed by. So, for example, Jack is equals to Sprat. Matches Jack only if it's followed by Sprat. So Jack followed by Sprat or false. And Jack only if it's followed by. Oh, cool. Got it. Makes sense? Let's check this out. So, does it include the spaces? That's my question. So, let's add Jack Sprat. Jack Sprat. And it gives null. Okay, cool. Let's add a space. And bruh. Capital do I do it? Let's one thing that I saw in the you can do it case insensitive. So it gives null. Okay, and this should work. No spaces, Jack, and then Sprat. If I add a space here, does it work? Nope. And I could do this and get an answer. Cool. So we got this is clear. Negative look ahead matches X only if not followed by cool. Question mark exclamation mark question mark is equals to look behind cool and not look behind general boundary line. Okay, so these are the examples for those and we are done with assertion. Cool. Um, Let me just check the stream once. I didn't open the stream today. Weird. I just started streaming. Oh, yeah, I started streaming. Yup. Cool. What was I doing? Yes. We are done with assertion, and it took like half an hour to get to this point because this is hard. This is very hard. I don't think we can complete it like this full article there. Um, I think we'll do character classes and probably continue from there. Kind of letters and digits. Okay, this seems easy. UTF. The character class matches one of the enclosed character and specified. Okay, A to C is X, Y, Z, right? Starts from X or Y or Z, I guess. Oh, that is not enclosed. Ah, okay. This is different. So, perfect. Cool. A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9, and matches. I get 0 to 9. What is this? Underscore hyphen. Okay, it matches underscore and hyphen. Cool. Uh, is negated, so the upper arrow is used for negation. Matches any single character except slash and dash r dash u 202 it. What's this? UTF. Line separator. How does it look? Lines are I guess it's slash n only. Dot y matches my and I, but not yes. In yes, yes. Why does not it match? Yes. Matches a single character except line terminator. Slash n slash r. Why does at least write y doesn't match? Frustrating. Matches a single character except line terminator. Okay, cool. For example, matches. For example, not my, obviously, and I. Okay, okay. Any character. It means any character before Y. Ah, this was so dumb. If they could have written that there is no character before Y, it would have been very easy to understand. Mm, you can change and you I'll make it better for the people. Why can't I find yes? Why can't I find yes? So where is this types? Let's look at types table. as let's see. Cool. Let's move on. 'T matches digits. '"T matches any character that is not a digit. Arabic equivalent to okay. '"W matches words. Slash in Apple 5. 5.28. No, it should match 528. Why does it match? Okay, so the first one. Yeah, okay, I got it. So it matches the first one. Negation capital matches a single white space character, including tab, uh, form feed, line feed, and other Unicode spaces like window. Cool. That's not bad. Horizontal map, Asha matches carriage return. What's carriage return? Okay, cool. Does not make a lot of sense. Matches line feed, slash feed, vertical tab. Okay, cool. Matches form feed. What's a form feed? What's a vertical tab? Vertical tab is used to speed up integral word in JavaScript. But uh, this is not the vertical tab. I'll leave it. Doesn't make a lot of sense. And or so these are some examples, and we are done with character classes. 47 minutes. Groups and back references and modifiers. I think we'll leave it to this. I'm very tired today, and uh, this is hard. The regex is hard. Uh, and obviously, this video, the purpose of this video is to understand stuff, how it's working. It's not to memorize stuff, so uh, it's okay. Uh, I don't think I'll remember any of this, but at least I know that they exist. So, whenever in work, if I need something, I'll be at a point where I can come to the references and easily go through it and understand. So that's the point of reading the docs. So, uh, not to like learn everything and uh, being a rote parrot on this, but yep. But yeah, so let's end this. Cool. Uh, then what regex JavaScript guide. Come on, reg. Let's just copy paste that. Regular expressions. Oh, oh. So let's leave this regular expression. And now add character classes. Can I manage this? Remove tail. Okay, cool. These are problems that we face. Saved. I don't know if I capitalize this on all videos or not. but let's do that. Save changes, and I think it's a goodbye bye. It's a goodbye, all of you guys, and bye bye. Good night. Sayonara. Shaba khair. Kali mera.